Welcome to Holy Cross College. We are proud to present the major digital transformation initiatives completed under the HCC ERP development team. These enhancements are designed to improve user experience, accessibility, and efficiency across all stakeholders. Renovated college website launched on 29th August 2024. Our college website has been completely redesigned with a modern interface, faster performance, and improved navigation. The new site ensures a seamless experience for students, staff, parents, and visitors. Event Gallery. The Event Gallery provides a dynamic showcase of all campus activities, allowing everyone to revisit the memorable moments of HCC with ease. HCC SmartLog Attendance App. HCC SmartLog, our dedicated attendance mobile application, simplifies attendance marking for staff and students. With secure login and real-time updates, attendance management becomes effortless. Special website feature: accessibility for people with disabilities. Our website now includes advanced accessibility features, ensuring that people with disabilities can access all information without barriers. Inclusivity remains at the core of our digital initiatives. HCC Chatbot Automated Enquiry Response System. To support quick and efficient communication, we have introduced the HCC Chatbot. It provides immediate answers to common queries, enhancing user experience and reducing response time. Semester Examination Result Portal with Student Photograph. The Result Portal has been upgraded to display student photographs along with exam results. This adds authenticity and accuracy to the evaluation process. Invitation Gallery, month-wise and department-wise display. Our new Invitation Gallery organizes college invitations month-wise and department-wise, making it easier to browse and access departmental events. Student ERP Portal, new UI UX design. The Student ERP has been completely redesigned with a fresh UI UX layout, enabling smooth navigation, improved performance, and a student-friendly interface. Staff ERP Portal, new UI UX design. The Staff ERP Portal now offers a cleaner layout and improved workflows, helping faculty manage academic and administrative tasks more efficiently. ERP Admin Portal, new UI UX design. The Admin ERP Portal has been enhanced with a structured interface and update controls to simplify institution-wide system management. Parent ERP. The Parent ERP enables parents to track their child's attendance, performance, and academic updates, fostering transparency and continuous engagement. HRDC Certificate Course Attendance Marking Portal. A dedicated portal has been developed for HRDC certificate courses to streamline attendance marking and course management. HCC Note, the Learning Management System, LMS. HCC Note, our powerful learning management system, brings education into the digital age. With organized course materials, online assessments, digital notes, and seamless communication, Note creates an interactive learning environment where students can study anytime, anywhere. Faculty Profile Update Portal. Our Faculty Profile Update Portal empowers staff to maintain their academic portfolios effortlessly. Publications achievements, qualifications, and research contributions can be updated instantly, keeping faculty profiles accurate and up to date. Digital HCC Academic Calendar. The Digital Academic Calendar provides a smart and interactive view of all academic activities, exams, events, holidays, and schedules. Everything is neatly organized, ensuring students and staff stay informed throughout the year. Department-wise promo videos for admission. To guide prospective students, every department now has its own captivating promotional video. These videos showcase the department's strengths, facilities, achievements, and career opportunities, helping students make informed choices during admissions. E-content web page year-wise. Our e-content section is a structured year-wise digital library. Students can easily access study materials, presentations, video lectures, and academic resources tailored to their curriculum. Student Achievements Hub. The Student Achievements Hub is a vibrant platform celebrating the success of our Crossians. Awards, competitions, research achievements, and talents, all beautifully displayed to motivate and inspire. Staff Achievements Portal. Our Staff Achievements Portal honors the dedication and success of our faculty. From publications to conferences, patents to awards, every milestone is highlighted with pride. Rank Holder Portal year-wise. The Rank Holder Portal showcases academic excellence by preserving year-wise list of our toppers, a tribute to hard work and outstanding performance. Infrastructure web page. Our infrastructure page offers a detailed view of the college's world-class facilities. From academic blocks to laboratories, libraries to sports arenas, visitors get a complete visual tour of our environment of excellence. CRDE and Rescapes websites. Dedicated websites for CRDE and Rescapes highlight the college's commitment to community development, research activities, and rural extension programs. A digital platform showcasing impactful initiatives. Center for Value Education website. Thoughtfully designed website for the Center for Value Education, focusing on moral, ethical, and spiritual growth. An online space promoting holistic development. Campus 360-degree view. With the Campus 360-degree virtual tour, visitors can explore Holy Cross College from anywhere in the world. A complete immersive experience of our academic spaces, gardens, and facilities. HCC Placement website. Our dedicated placement website guides students toward career success. Company profiles, training programs, placement records, and opportunities, all available in one dynamic platform. HCC Sports website. The HCC Sports website is a digital celebration of athletic excellence. Sports events, achievements, athlete profiles, and updates, bringing the spirit of sportsmanship to the online world. HCC Women's Studies website. The HCC Women's Studies website is a dedicated platform promoting women empowerment, gender awareness, and academic research. It highlights programs, initiatives, workshops, and achievements driven by the Women's Studies Center, creating a strong digital voice for women-centered education. Tree Scanner QR-based system. Our innovative Tree Scanner project brings environmental awareness to the digital space. Each tree on campus is tagged with a unique QR code, allowing users to instantly access details such as species, age, and ecological significance, merging nature with technology. Automatic Certificate Generator Portal. This smart portal automates certificate creation with just single click. Whether for events, workshops, or academic activities, the system ensures accuracy, speed, and professional formatting, eliminating manual work completely. Principal Dashboard. The Principal Dashboard serves as a powerful control center for institutional insights. From academic metrics to attendance, performance analytics to real-time updates, this dashboard supports data-driven decision-making at the highest level. Enemy Registration Portal. The Enemy Registration Portal simplifies elective course enrollment. Students can register effortlessly while departments can track registrations with complete transparency. HRDC Certificate Course Enrolling Portal. This portal enables smooth enrollment for HRDC certificate programs. With automated verification, tracking, and data management, the registration process becomes fast, efficient, and error-free. SOC Registration Portal, Clubs and Activities. The SOC portal allows students to register for various clubs and societies with ease. From cultural clubs to academic groups, everything is organized neatly, helping students explore and engage in campus life beyond the classroom. ID card printing software. Our ID card printing software automates the entire ID card creation process for both students and staff. With accurate data fetching and instant design generation, ID printing becomes faster, smoother, and highly efficient. Students' Birthday Wishing Portal. The Students' Birthday Wishing Portal adds a personal touch to campus life. Every student receives warm digital birthday greetings automatically, spreading positivity and joy throughout the institution. Staff Birthday Wishes Software. This automated wishing system celebrates staff birthdays with personalized digital messages. A small gesture that strengthens bonds and builds a cheerful work environment. Common Resume Builder software. Common Resume Builder software for faculty. The Faculty Resume Builder is a professional tool that helps staff generate polished, structured academic resumes in minutes. It organizes publications, qualifications, experience, and achievements, producing a clean, official resume at the click of a button. Examination attendance sheet with student photograph. Our examination attendance sheet system ensures complete accuracy and transparency. Each attendance sheet displays the student's photograph, roll number, and exam details, providing a secure and error-free verification process during examinations. HCC social media page. The HCC social media page keeps the entire community connected. From academic updates to achievements and event highlights, our digital presence reflects the vibrant life and accomplishments of Holy Cross College. Principal Desk Student Achievements Appreciation Page. The Principal's Appreciation Page is a dedicated digital space where outstanding student achievements are recognized and celebrated. A platform that motivates excellence and encourages young talents. IRINS Faculty Profile Integration. Through IRINS integration, faculty profiles are updated with academic contributions, research work, and publications. This enhances visibility, supports research networking, and strengthens the institution's academic reputation. Invigilation Schedule Web Portal Access. Our Invigilation Schedule portal allows staff to quickly check their exam duties online. Simple, transparent, and accessible from anywhere, ensuring Smooth examination management. HCC Certificate Course Feedback Dashboard. This interactive dashboard collects and analyzes student feedback for certificate courses. It helps departments understand performance, improve quality, and enhance the learner experience. Fees Transfer Portal Office Staff Module. The Fees Transfer Portal simplifies finance operations for office staff with automated tracking, secure transfers, and accurate reporting. Fee management becomes faster and more reliable. Noon Meal Scheme Attendance. Our digital Noon Meal Scheme attendance system ensures proper tracking of beneficiaries. It promotes accuracy, accountability, and smooth distribution for the welfare program. Crossian Center for AI Excellence like Swayam. The Crossian Center for AI Excellence is a digital learning platform inspired by Swayam. It offers online courses, video lectures, and AI-based learning resources, empowering students with advanced digital skills. HCC Blossom School website, Special Children. The Blossom School website is thoughtfully designed for special children. It provides accessible information, learning resources, and updates reflecting care, inclusivity, and dedicated support. UG Admission Software. The UG Admission Software enables a complete admission software. The UG Admission Software enables a complete paperless admission process. From application to verification and selection, everything is streamlined, accurate, and hassle-free. PG Admission Software. Our PG Admission Software brings transparency and ease to postgraduate admissions. It handles applications, verifications, merit lists, and student information with exceptional efficiency. All Fees Transfer Portal. This unified portal manages fee transfers for all departments. It ensures secure, organized, and real-time transaction handling for institutional finance. Admitted and applied student statistics. With the Student Statistics dashboard, administrators can view real-time data on applied, admitted, and selected students. This powerful analytics tool supports better planning, decision-making, and institutional reporting. Rescapes Village Visit Report Generation Software. The Rescapes Village Visit Report Generator transforms field visit documentation into a fully digital experience. With automated templates, structured data entry, and instant report generation, students and staff can create accurate and professional reports effortlessly. Rescapes PDF Viewer QR-based year-wise reports. Our QR-based Rescapes PDF Viewer provides quick access to all village visit reports year-wise. Simply scan a QR code to view complete documentation, making report access organized, fast, and eco-friendly. Certificate Course Feedback Student Portal. The Student Feedback Portal for Certificate Course collects honest, structured feedback that helps departments evaluate performance and improve quality. A smart tool to enhance teaching and learning outcomes. Mess Fee Report Month-wise. The Mess Fee Report system automatically tracks and generates month-wise fee details for hostelers. It ensures transparency, accuracy, and easy financial monitoring for students and staff. Audiology Hearing Testing Software for Patients. Our Audiology Hearing Testing Software is designed to support clinical assessments with precision. Patients can undergo accurate hearing evaluations through advanced digital tools, giving audiology students hands-on experience with modern technology. Economics and Net Coaching Registration Form. This streamlined registration system enables students to enroll in economics and net coaching programs with ease. Simple, fast, and automated, making academic support programs more accessible. Room allotment system for certificate courses. The room allotment software intelligently assigns classrooms for certificate courses based on time, capacity, and availability. This smart automation eliminates scheduling conflicts and ensures efficient space utilization. UG and PG roll number generation software. Our roll number generation software automatically produces unique roll numbers for UG and PG students. It ensures consistency, accuracy, and complete synchronization with academic records. UG and PG roll number creation and deletion module. This administrative module allows controlled creation and deletion of roll numbers when corrections or updates are required. A precise, secure tool designed to maintain the integrity of student data. Arrear mark modification. The arrear mark modification system ensures accurate handling of arrear exam results. Authorized staff can update marks securely, ensuring transparency and correctness in academic records. Assessment report generator. Our assessment report module provides comprehensive performance insights for each student. It quickly compiles internal marks, assessments, and evaluations, producing detailed reports that help in academic analysis and progress tracking. Attendance certificate generation. The attendance certificate generation system creates official certificates within seconds. Accurate, auto-filled, and neatly formatted, this tool ensures quick document delivery for students whenever needed. Bonafide certificate generation. Our Bonafide certificate system provides instant verification of documents for students. With automated data fetching and secure formatting, the process becomes fast, reliable, and fully digital. Conduct certificate. The Conduct Certificate module allows authorized staff to generate official conduct records effortlessly. Every certificate is standardized, authenticated, and generated with complete accuracy. PG Consolidated Mark Statement. This module generates comprehensive consolidated mark statements for postgraduate students. It compiles all semester results into a single authenticated document, ensuring clarity and precision. UG Consolidated Mark Statement. Our UG Consolidated Mark Statement generator provides a complete academic summary for undergraduate students. A professionally designed report that meets academic and official requirements. UG Consolidated Mark Statement Audiology. For specialized programs like audiology, a dedicated consolidated mark statement module has been developed. It ensures accurate mapping of theory, practical, and clinical components specific to the discipline. Course Certificate. The Course Certificate generator automates the creation of certificates for completed programs, workshops, and value-added courses. Each certificate is neatly designed, authenticated, and ready for instant download or print. Course Completion Report. This module produces detailed course completion reports that summarize attendance, performance, and certification status, supporting both academic tracking and quality assurance. TC entry and print. The transfer certificate system allows staff to enter student details and generate official TC documents in a single step. Accurate data, clean formatting, and instant printing make the process effortless and error-free. Regular mark modification. Our regular mark modification system enables secure updates to student marks when corrections are needed. Every change is documented and authorized, ensuring transparency and academic integrity. Semester-wise mark statements, UG and PG. This module generates semester-wise mark statements for both UG and PG programs. Each statement is professionally formatted and auto-composed from verified academic records. Supplementary mark statement UG and PG. The supplementary mark statement system handles the results of supplementary and reappearance exams. Students receive accurate reports reflecting their updated academic performance. Student particulars. Our student particulars module provides complete, organized profiles including academic, personal, and administrative information. A central information hub designed for quick reference and official documentation. Timetable generation. The timetable generation system automatically creates well-structured schedules for classes, examinations, and academic activities. It optimizes room usage, avoids conflicts, and ensures smooth planning for students and faculty. Exam course count. Our exam course count module calculates the exact number of courses registered for examinations. This helps departments plan question papers, invigilation, and evaluation process with precision. Exam date-wise and department-wise planning. This tool organizes exam schedules by date and department, providing a clear and structured overview of all examinations. It enhances coordination and helps maintain a seamless examination workflow. Bundling count for examination. The bundling count system accurately determines the number of answer booklet bundles required for each exam. It ensures proper distribution, reduces manual errors, and streamlines examination logistics. The exam fee report module provides a complete breakdown of exam fee collections with detailed insights and automated calculations. Managing exam finance becomes simple and transparent. Components entry. Our components entry system allows departments to enter internal components, practical scores, and assignment marks digitally. This ensures secure, accurate, and efficient academic data management. Arrear exam fee registration status. This module tracks the status of arrear exam fee payments for each student. It offers real-time insights to the examination office, ensuring smooth processing and verification. Fee abstract report. Date-wise. The date-wise fee abstract report gives a clear summary of all fees transactions on specific days. This supports financial tracking, auditing, and transparent reporting. Exam fee register status. The exam fee register status module shows complete details of students who have registered for exams and paid their fee. It simplifies verification and helps examination staff maintain accurate records. Revaluation registration status. This tool monitors revaluation applications submitted by students. It ensures prompt processing, clear tracking, and efficient coordination between departments. Certificate program registration. Our certificate program registration portal enables students to enroll in value-added and skill-based programs with ease. The automated system manages registrations, attendance, and course records, enhancing the learning experience.